friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are visiting me. And today I will be decorating my front porch for fall. If you are ready to decorate, I am inviting you to grab your favorite drink and stay with me. And if you are not part of my family yet, remember, don't forget to hit that subscriber button. I will be so happy to have you here in my channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. A lot of decorations and cooking videos are coming for the holiday season. So I hope to see you in my next video. For now, let's go into this one. Here in Texas, the fall season is like our second spring. We take the opportunity of the wonderful temperatures to refresh our garden. We really miss this kind of weather after the very hot summer that we had. It makes us to explore the outdoor and enjoy this beautiful weather. But yes, we also have beautiful places to visit and see the fall colors. So let me know in your comments if you are interested to know or to talk about those beautiful places that we have here in Texas to visit during fall. For now, let me get into our video for today. I am giving a little bit of refreshment of this part of the garden, that is the entryway of the front porch, so I want to look good and clean. Today's video is not about a bunch of decoration, how I told you before, but in neither I'm going to put a lot of pumpkins. Because remember, my friends, I have my garden, I have my beautiful flowers, and I love to use them as part of my decorations. So I don't want the place to feel overwhelming with so many decorations and then my flower bed, my garden, no. So it's gonna be light, but I think it's gonna turn out beautiful too. So stay tuned to the end so you can see. I like the way how this little refreshment to this entryway turned out. It looked clean and neat, exactly what I was looking for. I like to say that my porch is kind of small and it's not all about how I would like to be. I would love to have some grills, but we have to ask for permission for that. Let's see what happens in the future. Or I have to get a new house and have all those features. You know, I love to have my gardens with a lot of flowers. So I think a bigger porch with some grills, hanging basket will look wonderful. But for now, I really enjoy what I have. I'm really grateful. I didn't have any of this in the past. But it's good not to stop dreaming. And God, He loved for us not to stop. He loved to give us everything that He promised. And He has done a lot of good things in the past. But I believe that the best things are in the future for us. I believe in that. For today, I will be leaving the link for my fall haul decoration video here in my channel so you can see where I got some of the decoration I'm using today. I like to have a throw blanket here available on my porch so I can sit in the morning with my cup of coffee and get cozy. I am adding some texture with these lanterns and this basket that is gonna be full of flowers. I like to see the flowers in all my decorations inside and outside. It's like an extension of my garden to my home. So I'm gonna be sitting here in my front porch during the fall season very often. I didn't buy this year any decoration for Halloween. I have these few items from last year, so I'm gonna just place it between my pumpkins and it's gonna be a little touch of the Halloween here in my front porch. And you don't have to buy a new wreath every time for every season. With some touch, you can transform your summer or your spring wreath to a fall or any other season wreath. I'm recreating my fall wreath with this old one using some false leaf and some dry flowers. And this is the before and after. I love the way they look very inviting. And now, my friends, enjoy the rest of the video without voiceover. Let's see how the decoration turned out. For today. I feel so blessed because you are here with me today. I am so excited and I can't wait for my 500 subscribers. That is the number I am waiting for to give you my first giveaway. So don't miss it and tell your friends. Subscribe to my channel. You can be the winner for my first giveaway. So for now, I'm going to say bye-bye and see you in my next video.